SOPOKA's dedicated engineering team has spent months developing new products, creating our latest offering, the heavy-duty 6000-watt socket. Featuring an impact-resistant ABS plastic cover and a fire-resistant socket surface made of UFC, this socket ensures both durability and safety. Its porcelain core is engineered to withstand temperatures of up to 1300 Celsius degree, guaranteeing reliability even in extreme conditions. With meticulous attention to detail at every stage of development, we have enhanced its functionality with angled 45-degree outlets, offering added convenience to the socket. Designed specifically for builders' needs, this product represents our commitment to delivering solutions that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. If you have any inquiries, please get in touch with us. Thank you for watching.